tablespoon of olive oil, minced garlic, then onion, chopped carrots, 2 to 3 small tomatoes, chopped, a little bit bigger than the onions and carrots. There. So this doubled the size of the lentils. So we'll just drain it and then put it in the pot. You drain the water, and you add the lentils. And you add your chopped parsley, salt and black pepper. Add your water, about 4 to 6 cups of water, depending how thick you want your soup. So I added the water and I'm gonna let it boil until lentils are cooked. Don't forget to add your seasoning. I just put salt and pepper here, but you can use knorr bouillon, which is the chicken flavor ones.